Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs in an electric kettle. First, crack 2 large eggs into a small bowl and whisk them thoroughly with a fork until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Next, ensure your electric kettle is completely clean and empty, ready for cooking. Finally, prepare a heat-safe mug or bowl where you will serve your delicious, freshly made eggs. Now, carefully pour your whisked eggs directly into the clean electric kettle. For extra fluffiness, you can add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water to the egg mixture. Close the lid and press the boil button. Let the eggs cook for approximately 30 seconds, watching closely for the edges to set slightly. This initial boil starts the cooking process gently. After the first boil, open the kettle lid and use a non-metal spoon or spatula to gently stir the eggs. Break up any larger cooked pieces that have formed on the bottom or sides. This helps ensure even cooking. Close the lid again and press the boil button for a second time, cooking for another 15 to 20 seconds. Keep an eye on the consistency. Once your eggs reach your desired consistency, quickly and carefully pour them into your prepared heat-safe mug or bowl. Season generously with salt, pepper, and any other favorite toppings like cheese or chives. Serve your kettle scrambled eggs immediately to enjoy them at their best. This method is perfect for a quick, easy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.